Hi people, so it's a requested video today. Please watch to the end. Thank you. So chest line, bust line, under bust line, waistline, and then 1 inch for my shoulder slope, 3.5, 3.5, and I connect this. Then from this point now we have division. So I divided what I had from this point to this point by 2. So I divided by 2 and then I have 4. So from this 4 inch, from this 4, this division, I came in by half an inch. So I'm just going to connect that like so. So I'll come up by 2 inches, 2 inches upward, then 2 inches also. So this is my new chest line. Now new chest line, I'll mark my 4 inches. Okay. So I'll connect this 4 inches to the 4 inches on my waistline to make our dart leg. So I'll do 2 inch here, then 1 here on the waist. On the under bust, I'll do 1, then I'll do 2. Then this is so on the bust area. I'm just going to come down. I'll come down by 1 inch. I'll come down by 1 inch. And I'll go up by 1 inch. So now I'll connect this from this point to this point, from this point to this point. So this point now, we are just going to make a division. Here I'll have my 1, also 1, so 1. Here we have 2 inches, so that's extending out 2 inches. Extend that out. So here, just impute your circumference measurement plus the dart intakes. Okay, and then after the overall markings, you're on your fabrics, just add your same allowances. This one to this point. So let's do that now. Okay, and then let's make our armhole to this point. This point we have 3 inches. 3 inches. So this 3 inches divided by 2, we have 1.5. So divide it by 1.5. Then it's this point to this point, this point to this point. Let's go like this. Right. So we move on to this part. Just go in by 3 inches again. By 3 inches. And I'll square it up. Now then, divide this 3 inches by 2. So connect this point to this point. This point, from this point, connect it to this point. This point connects to this point. Come down by 2 inches, like so. Now divide these 2 inches by 2, into 2. Divide it into 2 again. The center, alright. So we're going to make 2 lines there. So I just continue connecting this point to this point. Just from this area, go in by 1 inch. So connect this to this point. Okay. and then this point to this point again.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
When you are cutting, so we are just going to close the bust that like so. On the back pattern, I went in by 1 inch to eliminate back bulge, and then from that point I'll mark my 1.5 for my zipper allowance. Now mark it a straight line upward to the shoulder line like so. Then you connect the lines. So for my shoulder, I marked my armor line, my chest line, and the last line there, that's our waistline. So I'm just measuring my shoulder, and then I connect that to the chest line. That's my armor line also. So I'm just making a dart leg. I marked 4 inches, and I connect that to my bust line. And then I'm just going to come down from that point by 1 inch. Then I'll create the dart legs by half an inch on both sides of the line, and I'll connect that to the 1 inch we came down from the bust line. That will be our dart intake. Simply connect your points together. So at the neck line, I did 3.5 for my neck width and 6 inches for my neck depth. Up next is my shoulder slope, so I did my shoulder slope by 1 inch, then I connected to the neckline like so. Then I went ahead to connect my armhole. Then I started imputing my circumference measurement. So if you want a sewing tutorial on this pattern that we have created today, please let me know in the comment section. Somebody actually requested for this tutorial. The person asked me if I can replicate the design. I just said I'm going to try my best, okay? But then if you want a sewing tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. On the flared of this piece is a 720 degrees flare. So to fold your fabric, you are just going to do your circumference plus 6 divided by 8. So after you have divided by 8, you are just going to add your length. So here I have folded my fabric like so. 5 from this end. Take 7. If you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button. It's free. Please just do me the honor, the favor, okay, by subscribing. Thank you for always stopping by. I do not take it for granted. So on the sleeve now, to fold your fabric, I have folded my fabric into 4. To fold yours, you are just going to do your armhole divided by 2 plus about 5 inches. So in order to have the pleat, at least a little pleat at the puff area, and then the length of this one, you're just going to add about 5 inches or so. So I'm just taking my cap's height. My cap's height here is 4 inches from my shoulder. My cap's height is 4 inches. I'm just going to rule that. On this cap's height now, I'll increase 9 plus 1. This is 9 plus 1. Okay, so from that point I'm just going to mark it this way. Okay, and then we want to get the center point as 5.5. Alright, and then this is also going to have a division, let's say 2 points. So this will be up, this will be up, and then the division here will be down. So this will be up, alright, by half an inch. Okay, so I'm just going to go this way. Just connect this way. I'm going to be dropping a detailed tutorial on how to get here. So let's go over this. This 11. Okay. So now for this part, I'm going to do normal sleeve is the normal sleeve is a normal sleeve is 17 divided by 2, 17, 12 rather, 6. So but I'll be adding extra 6, okay? I'll be adding extra 6 to it. So I'm just going to connect this point to this point. Forget to notch.